Alright, got a 2012 MN7 on propane. Heat exchanger set it up, so we're going to do the heat exchanger today. Original call was for the inducer motor. Took the inducer motor off, found the heat exchanger, set it up, so we are going to get this out of the way. Haven't even got my tools out yet. Let's see. 858. Let's get this thing apart here. Oh man. Didn't cut it too well. It's getting cold in here. Oh, gas off. Got a lot of crap in the way. Let's see. These really aren't too bad to take apart. Man, it was like, this morning when I woke up, it was like 28 degrees. It's brisk out. Fucking plug don't want to come out. God. Plug don't want to come out of there. What the hell? There we go. Yeah, we got something going on in the back. Boy, that's a treat. Man, no maintenance. Let's see. Boy, oh boy. Not running good. Let's see, I've got everything out. grab a screw from the top. In my way. I think. Get it out without hurting the wires. What the hell? Oh, they got a hot water coil in there. Freaking leaking in the back. Look at all that. It's leaking. Here, let me get the side off here. Look at that. Look at that. That's crazy. Oh, geez. Oh my God. Gotta take these off anyway. Oh my Lord. Let's see. 9:12, it's out. We gotta get back in. Wow. That's all I can say. Definitely made the right call on this one. Well, let's go put the other one together outside. Alright, so I got my parts out. When they ship these parts from the factory, they're extremely oily. And especially the back of the heat exchanger and the front of the secondary heat exchanger. So for that caulk to stick, you wanna I always carry like some kind of cleaner or degreaser for these situations, or just, you know, on their furnace checks. And I want to clean them off. I took the old insulation off. So we got new insulation that came in the box. So what I do, so this sucker sticks, I'll just take some caulk. Just take some caulk so the insulation stays on there. It is cold out here this morning. I gotta remember which way this sucker goes on. I think it's this way. Right there. And that lines up. I'm already getting caulk on me. And then this. It goes like that. Oh, I got all kinds of extra screws from previous heat exchangers because I left the other ones downstairs. And I need a drill. At least these 59 series are better than 58 series putting together. 58 series pain in the ass. Last one in. I mean, it's just super oily. Oh. Must be in the manufacturing process or something, I don't know. I have to caulk this. This is, am I missing a piece? I thought there were two pieces here. Oh, it's on there. Is it on there? No, I thought there were two pieces there. Maybe I'm mistaken. I can't remember. Maybe not. But you have to caulk that stupid piece to here. You gotta make sure this is nice and clean. Yeah, that's the way it goes right there. Coupling box on it. Be careful, these parts are sharp. They're thin like razor blades. It only lines up one way right here. So you can't put it the other way, it won't line up. Ooh, it's just oily. Ugh. Stainless steel. All right. You got these damn turbulators that want to fall out too. So I'm going to take this off. My hands are freezing. Lined up first time, look at that. There we go. Holy crap, it's cold out here this morning. I think when I was driving to work it was like 28 degrees. Do it's not sticking. I got it. It's still too wet. Okay, so that stuff, never, this stuff is rated up to 470 degrees, never had a problem on heat exchangers. So this piece right here, this little piece, it's got to be cocked to the secondary. And then the coupling box, throw a few screws in this right here. The coupling box, it's got to be cocked to that. Don't put any more screws in it because we're going to have to cock the coupling box to it. Go. I've only done like 3 or 4 of these heat exchangers, so I'm still kind of learning. I don't want to put screws down here neither because I got to put the side panels on. Ooh, I'm missing a piece. I gotta go take it off the one downstairs. I can't put the screws in the top yet. Let me go grab a piece downstairs. Alright, that goes on the back here. It just lines up and you just throw screws in it. Now I got to get the side panels on. Oh, there goes the turbulator. These came off the old heat exchanger. I remember which way they go on. These are always a pain in the ass, even on the 59 series. Side panels suck. Figure out how this goes on. I can't remember. There is a right and a left. It says left. That's left. What a pain. What a pain. What a pain. Pain in the ass. Side panels. Pain. One side at a time. My hands are frozen. Get it going, it's not bad. It's taking me longer to get the side panels on than the whole heat exchanger together. What kind of shit is that? I think I'm gonna go get the collector box. Go get the collector box and put it on out here so I don't lose any turbulators. Let me go grab the collector box. Okay, gotta get the old gasket off. Oh, it's going to come off in pieces. Jeez. Alright, well, let me get this off. This is a royal pain in the ass. Just a symptom of it running hot. Let me scrape this off. Alright, I got it scraped off. New gasket on. And this is a 2012 model. The collector box never got changed. And the old screws didn't have washers on them. They're like zip screws. If you look right there, it's cracked. Doesn't look like it's cracked all the way through. So, and it wasn't leaking before. So the new screws have washers on them. You know what? I'm not going to be able to put this on. I got to get it in first because there's screws behind the collector box. So let me get it downstairs. All right. Well, let's get it in there. See. This thing slides on rails. We're in. We are in. I gotta find my other bits. We are in. I gotta find my drill. Start to put it back together. Oh, I figured nothing wants to line up. I think we gotta lift her up a little. Oh, let's see. Hopefully everything else lines up. It's looking good. Alright, so these turbulators, face them down so the water drips off of them. That's what they're meant for. Because we found if they're faced up like this, pulls into the inducer motor, causes problems with the pressure switch. Sometimes, not all the time. That guy's stuck back there. Can't even get a hold of him. He's staying there. This one's kinked up. Alright, now we'll put the collector box on. No, we won't. Gotta get the filler panel in. Like I said, I haven't did too many of these, so. And now, get our other screws. Those are original screws. They're like zip screws. That's all they are. And then went to these zip screw with a washer on it. And then that's the new style. They make it so you can't over tighten it. It's got a shoulder on it. So we're going to use those. Yeah, that doesn't fit in the collector box. So we're not using those. We got to use the ones with washers. Super stupid. Super stupid. So apparently the new ones they give you don't fit in the old collector boxes. That's sweet. Oh, that's wrong. These things on all wrong. Adjust my drill setting. One more. I think that's it. I'm going to put my drill setting on 1. Okay. I forget another trap on the truck. Let me go see. Alright, that trap is toast. It's full of shit. So gasket off. So we'll put a new gasket on. New gasket on. New trap. New trap. Get that hose through there first. Okay, so original call was no heat and the inducer motor wasn't running. So the inducer motor come off there. Oh. So you can take that right off. That, what's bad, I hope, because the inducer motor is free to spin. Coming up with a code 42, if I remember right. And there you go. Because you can't get these freaking inducer motors. You can't get anything for MN7s. There we go. And of course I lose the other screw. There it is. Oh man. That screw right there. Because the other two screws are for the pressure switch. This one and this one. Got the trap on, collector box tight. Throw this on. missing a screw. It's always the last screw you're missing. Missing one inducer screw. Oh, there it is. Got it. There we go. Let's see. Go. These things aren't hard to do. It's just time consuming. All right. Man, the dog just won't stop barking. The dog just keeps on barking. All right. Oh no. Burners aren't that terrible, but we're going to replace them. But I got to drill screws in them. Got to drill for screws. So I got to put the screws in there to turbulate that LP gas. So let me go get, oh, you know what, I have I might have my drill bits down here. And I do. I do. I don't know which size they are. I can't remember. try an 1/8. Eighth works. That. Flame sensor. We'll set it up. There we go. Would help to put it in the right way. Let me get these burners in. Okay, got the burners in. Now, this back up here. We're getting there. We're getting there. Screws only go back, I mean, wiring harness only goes back in a certain way. Really, it's not that hard. wires only reach so far. I mean, you can't screw it up, trust me. Some of the wire connections are different. Where'd my pressure switch go? I hope there's no other problems. Because I couldn't get the thing started up. Couldn't get the thing started up, so hope there's no other issues. Hoses, hoses. Pressure switch. I think we're getting ready. All right. I gotta get some glue, PVC glue. All right, so I got it back together. Gas is hooked up, gas is on. Got my manometer hooked up. We're gonna start this up. But what I have is this is on a regular thermostat. It's on its own panel. But to lock it into low and high, I use the infinity control. And do I have power? I don't have power. Hold on. Alright, so I'll put my shit shut. So let me let this load up. I think I'm going to have to install it, so it's going to take a minute. Alright. So I got it running. I'm in intermediate stage right now. I'm at 5.13. I'm supposed to be at like 5.8. says in the manual, yeah, adjust high first. It don't matter. Oops, I'm going the wrong way. I gotta be at 222. 218, close enough. So it's we're gonna jump up in the high stage and make sure. I know medium is pretty much set where it should be, but we're gonna jump into high stage and see where that's at. Alright, we're in high medium. Okay, got that regulator jacked up to 13, adjusted it up to 11, everything ran good, it's good to go. Unfortunately I just can't catch everything on video, you know, with a customer wondering what I'm doing outside. So, let's see, I think I started it right around, maybe a little before 9, it's 11:24, you know, and I was taking my time. Doesn't take that long. So that one, I know we had a gas valve we replaced last year because it failed, or it was never adjusted right. Something happened to it last year, don't know what happened to it. Another tech was out on this one, but he did adjust the gas pressures where they should have been. They're right there, pretty darn close. As you can see, that heat exchanger was the metal was thin on the side. I wasn't quite, I don't know if I was expecting that or not, because I wasn't really surprised, because I seen it on other propane 59 series that metal just is really thin right there for some reason. But everything kind of went as planned. It wasn't too bad, you know. I got the burners, I got the inducer motor, you know, driver. The motor was still good. It was just the driver that was bad, or the ECM. So we got everything hooked up, good to go. She's happy, can't complain. So I am off to the next one. I don't know what that is yet. And hopefully I can get some video on that. Like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.